Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to TG on Twos. Please stick around, and if you enjoy this video, it would mean a great deal to me if you could like and subscribe. Now, without wasting any time, let us get straight into it. Today, we're talking about the 2025 BMW F900r, which is a mid-sized roadster featuring an 895cc parallel twin engine, delivering 105 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and about 90 Newton meters of torque at 6,500 RPM. It has a fully adjustable 43mm inverted front fork, new lighter wheels, and standard dynamic traction control and ABS Pro for enhanced safety. In terms of ergonomics, the bike has been adjusted for a sportier riding position, and it offers 3 color options. The particular one that you're looking at is called the Sport, and I must admit, the name fits the description so well, as well as the ride. Under the hood, and I hope I'm allowed to say this, we have a water-cooled 2-cylinder 4-stroke engine with 4 cam-operated valves per cylinder and 2 overhead camshafts. The maximum speed of the F900r is claimed at over 201 kilometers per hour. It has a 13-liter fuel tank capacity with a fuel claim consumption of 4.2 liters to the 100. However, we all know this is in near perfect conditions, which is never the case. For brakes, we have Brembo twin disc in front with a 320mm diameter 4-piston radial brake caliper. As for the rear, we have a single disc brake with a diameter of 265mm, 1-piston floating caliper. Standard equipment on the F900 boasts a full color TFT display with BMW multi-ride connectivity. My time with the F900 was very pleasant, and I can also confirm that the TFT dash was easy to use and very functional. And in my opinion, there's nothing better than the TFT dash from BMW in this current climate. We have standard as well, LED headlights, low beam and high beam, LED flashing turn indicators, and standard on the F900 we have 2 ride modes, rain and road. And if you spec it up a bit, you can get dynamic as well as dynamic pro, which gives you a bit more customization. We have a 32.1-inch seat height or 815 millimeters. Now, I'm not a tall person, but I was very comfortable on the bike, despite not being fully flat-footed. You can get the seat adjusted if you wanted to, although I think most people will be fine with the standard seat height. So, now that we know what the bike is about, let's go for a ride. It's raining, yes, man, but the show must go on. I'm sorry. The show must go on. So this is an F900R. This is the naked version of the F900. They do have the F900 XR, which is, I don't know where it sits, to be honest, but I also know that they have the F900 GS, which is geared towards more touring and stuff. So I'm a naked bike type of guy, and for me this is a phenomenal upgrade from my G310R. I love that bike to bits, but eventually I do have to get on a bigger bike, and this was initially the bike that I had looked at. Since then I've obviously reviewed or been on other bikes, in particular the 660 Trident Triumph, as well as the 765. It is raining, man, so I have to be a little bit careful. Of course, traffic doesn't get any better when it's raining, so I just need to control my speed, hence I'm riding in rain mode. But in all fairness, the show must go on. I want to get onto the highway, in fact, but I just don't know where to go. To get onto the highway and turn back into Rivonia Road. I think it's here, or not. Sure. I think my bum is getting wet from the rain. The quick shift is nice. In fact, I had initially thought that the quick shifter on a Trident, not a Trident rather, but the 765 Street Triple was better. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is amazing, man. This is amazing, bro. I love this so much. Oh, I love this so much. This is amazing. So don't get me wrong, the Street Triple is an amazing bike, but so is this. I think it sort of caters for different types of riders. This is more relaxed, more upright. Not taking anything from the Street Triple, but then it's a little bit hunched in. Not crazy hunched in, but a fair amount. And it's just as lovely.
Speaking about Triumph, there they are. Quick shift up and down. It feels amazing, just as amazing as it is on the Triumph. I like this bike. I like these bar end mirrors. They're so nice, man. You can see everything behind you. It is such a lovely bike to be on. It really is. I can't fault it. I really can't fault it. And look at this TFT dash, very, very clean. Sounds amazing. It feels amazing. No vibrations anywhere. I love this bike, bro. I love this bike. I wish I could take it home right now. Amazing. Just amazing, 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 amazing. This TFT Dash is, first of all, it's the best in its class. The big, bad, scary highway. What more can I say? I don't know. Am I done? Do I want to be done? I don't know. I don't think I want to be done, man. This is such a great bike. You could ride it the whole day. And for a 200 kg bike, it doesn't feel that, it doesn't feel heavy at all, in fact. This is crazy because the outgoing model, the 2021, I believe 2022 model that I was on a few weeks back, that felt heavy. I could feel it. I could feel every inch of the bike. This one, not so much. Yes, considerably much heavier than my bike, because my bike is only 165 kgs wet. This new 2025 model, I believe, is sitting at 208. It's such a gem. It is such a gem, right? It is so good. It feels good. I'll tell you that. But again, for me, everything is going to feel good. I mean, I come from a modest 310, 313cc, right? So anything with a lot more power, yeah, it happens. It is so nimble. It is so nimble. Like, it is such a nice bike. I love it, man. I love it so much. I'm singing praises to it. Look, I'm probably going to... I'm not taking it back right now. Let me just put it that way. I don't know where the road leads there, but I'm going. Oh, it's very slippery here. Very slippery. I should be careful. Rain mode. Let's go. Such a great bike. Such a lovely bike. Everything and more you would ever need, you would ever want in a bike. Everything and more this bike, to be honest. I'm not too much into specs. As long as the bike feels good, I'm not that much of a nerd, but I do know a couple of things, and this bike definitely does feel good. The engine is really good. It is good in the city. The weight is amazing. The brakes are amazing. It is tuned really, really well. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The beautiful BMW F900r. It's a misunderstood bike, but some of us do understand it, and we love it very much.